This Texas burger is how we do burgers down on the border. It's one of my all-time favorites. Stay tuned. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we are making a smoky, spicy, and juicy Texas burger. Down on the border, a burger isn't just a burger. We bring a little Tex-Mex into everything we cook. That means cumin, jalapeño, smoked paprika. For more delicious recipes, visit us at texmexathome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people. For today, we will need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 2 jalapeños finely diced, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 4 to 6 strips of bacon, 1 onion thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of oil, 4 to 6 slices of cheddar cheese, 4 to 6 hamburger buns, mayonnaise or other dressing you use for your burger. First, I make my seasoning blend. In a small bowl, I add 1 teaspoon of salt, my black pepper, cumin, which is our signature Tex-Mex flavor, smoked paprika, and my garlic powder. Then I mix them gently with a fork. I like to blend it first so the seasoning spreads evenly. That way every burger gets the same flavor instead of one bite being all salt and the next one being plain. In a large bowl, add your ground beef, diced jalapeño, your egg, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and our seasoning mix. I'm using 80% lean and 20% fat ground beef. That little bit of fat is what keeps the patty juicy. Now with both hands, mix it just until everything comes together. The less we handle it, the more tender it stays. Form them into 4 to 6 patties. Press a little dimple into the center of each with your thumb. That keeps them from puffing up in the middle as they cook. Set them aside while we get our bacon going. In a skillet over medium heat, lay out your bacon strips and cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes, turning once. When the bacon looks crispy, pull it out and set it on a paper towel. You can also take this step while you're making your patties. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new Tex-Mex recipe. Now let's keep going. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once your pan is hot, add your thinly sliced onions and let them cook for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until they're soft, translucent, and charred. Then scoop them out and set them aside. And here's a tip. If you want to grill these at a cookout, prep them a day ahead. Keep the patties ready to cook and make the bacon and onions at home, so all you do at the grill is cook the meat. Place your patties in the same pan and give them a good sear, about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side, until you get a nice brown crust. Flip them once and give them another 3 to 4 minutes. Then lay a slice of cheddar on each patty and cover the pan. That traps the heat to finish the burgers to medium well and melt the cheese all at the same time. Cook it for just a couple of minutes until the cheese is fully melted. Now we put it all together. Spread a little mayo on both sides of the bun. Set down your cheesy patty, pile on the onions and add a strip or 2 of bacon. And there you have it, the Texas burger. Juicy, smoky, and a jalapeño kick. Stacked with charred onions, crispy bacon, and melty cheddar. Serve it up with some fries or a handful of chips and you've got dinner on the table. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now it's time to try it. Perfect. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.